I do a little side-by-side comparison of this radiator here, my original 70-year-old radiator from my 48 CJ2A, and this brand new Omix-ADA radiator that I got from Summit Racing. Okay, so some obvious differences. The upper tube is straight on the new one, where on the old one it's slightly canted. Hopefully I can get my hose on there. This one, they seem pretty close, but this one has the little flare on it, a fairing or whatever it's called, where the original one is straight. Okay, the side pieces here that hold the felt in to funnel the air into the radiator, those are not there on the Omix-ADA radiator. This shroud itself seems to be more oval shaped, where the hole in the original one seems to be more round. So it looks like a little more air might get around the fan or not get vacuumed through the radiator on the new one. The bolts that are just loose bolts in the bracket down here, where the ones for the original are welded on or riveted on or something, they're tight. This shroud has holes in it for the shroud extension, where the new shroud doesn't have any holes in it for the shroud extension. What I've also noticed here is that the overflow tube, the metal one on the original, goes clear down to the bottom there. But the Omix-ADA one is just a little stub there, so you have to put a rubber hose on it. It did come with this radiator cap. I don't know if it's any good or not. One interesting thing that I found was the new radiator is a lot lighter than the old radiator. Now the old radiator is copper and steel. I believe the new radiator is aluminum and steel. I think that's what the paperwork said. But there's an 8-pound difference between the two. 8-pound difference. This one is 12.8 and that one is 20.6 according to my wife's bathroom scale. Don't tell her I used it in the garage. So I'm hoping maybe that's why I'm having heating problems, is that my old radiator is filled up with mineral deposits from 70 years of distilling water inside of it. So we'll see. I'm going to get this installed in the next few days. I got a little framework to do before I do that. But anyway, that's the two radiators side by side.